wonder where Mario is? He hasn't showed up in a while now.
Yeah, mate, he hasn't.
Well, yeah, you said it. Let's go see what he's up to.
Okay, mate, let's go. Now, I'm gonna need something to make something out here. I'm the doctor. Okay, guys, what I'm doing here is trying to rebuild Gordy, the snowman. Make him stronger, make him not melt at all. See here? His bones are gonna be made of ice. And the skin's gonna be made of snow, though. So, yeah. And the water is technically gonna be the blood. So, yep. This is what you need for a snowman that can survive the summer as well, guys. Yeah. Okay.
Mario, what are you doing in there?
Oh, I'm pooping my pants. I mean, pooping in the toilet.
Okay, just make sure. Bye.
Bye. Now, let me find something. Wait a minute. Nah. Too small. Maybe this will do. There we go. Now then. First off, we'll start with the skull. Many pieces. 30 minutes later. Well, here's part of the head now. So, let's see here. Ooh, the rib cage! That's gonna be trouble, though. Another 30 minutes later. Okay, got all the pieces for, I forgot what that part was called. The waist? Oh yeah, yep, for the waist. Okay. Now, we're almost finished. The creation is back there, but you can't see him. It's a surprise. Now then, let me go create some legs out of this. And another 30 minutes later. Can I be done now, guys? I'm done being the narrators. Hire a new one, okay? Bye. Okay. Good for the legs. Okay. Well, I got all the pieces, arms, legs, feet, everything. Well, we're all done. Time to build. Oh yeah, the narrator quitted. Sorry about that, guys, but it has been another 30 minutes later, so... Okay. Well, now, since we have all the ice pieces, maybe we should put them in the freezer. Just so they could be cold-hearted. Okay. Well, now then, time to put the ice in here. Well, time to find a way to get to a cold place. Up in the mountains, but I need a warp pipe. Woo! Okay, warp pipe time. Woohoo! Do. Yoo-hoo! Well, cool mountain. Sure is cool. Now then, let me see here. I need to use something to build snow out of. There's just so many snow, I don't know what to pick. Oh boy. Ooh, maybe that's snow. And there's a scarf. Well, built the snow one. Hello. Welcome back, Gordy. How's Gordy? You'll see. Come on. Oh, what is this green pipe over here? Let's go in and find out. Okay. Do. My turn. Do. Okay, Gordy, I'm gonna go save your life. I don't want you to melt like last time. What? Okay. Let's go. Haven't met you in months.
What are you talking about?
But Chef. Oh, Chef. Chef, he's really annoying. Hooks me up food that I don't like. Are they still in here? Let me see. Yep, they're right down there. All the pieces. Ugh, our narrator quitted again. I forgot he quitted. Ugh. Well, it's gonna be 1 hour later, though. How do you feel?
I feel great.
I feel like I'm tougher now.
Wait, how am I inside your house, though? Last thing I remember was melting.
Gordy?
Are you?
I missed you.
Me too.
I gave you a new scarf as well.
Oh, thanks.
No problem, Gordy. Glad to have you back.
I feel stronger now with that bones made of ice.
Well, let's go. Everyone's gonna be happy to see you.
That's great.